Is Tesla's stock price too high? Let's see if the price action agrees with Elon Musk in this video. Hey again, it's John at Real John Doe from Currency.com. Don't forget, hit the like, subscribe button because you won't want to miss out on what we have to come. So in this video, we're going to have a look at Tesla's latest headlines and also see if what Elon Musk tweeted about Tesla's price is true according to the technical analysis on the price charts. So earlier this month, Elon Musk tweeted that the Tesla stock price is too high in his opinion. The stock then collapsed nearly $200, but now it's recovered majority of that drop. It's looking like that tweet is priced in currently on the short term, and Tesla may continue its uptrend. So at the beginning of the year, Tesla attempted to break that psychological price of $1,000, and that got rejected, and it brought us to a yearly low of about $350. But now we've been trending up since then, and it would only take a little bit of good news to push Tesla's price past that psychological number of $1,000. So there are three catalysts reported here by MarketWatch that can potentially bring Tesla to a new peak. The first one being that US production keeps ramping up, and production has been a big focus for investors of Tesla. Tesla produced 103,000 vehicles in the first quarter of 2020 and delivered about 88,400 vehicles, making it the best quarter performance ever. And another catalyst on top of that, in China, the market share for Tesla keeps increasing. There were concerns that the COVID-related shutdowns in China could impact Tesla's growth over there. But however, it seems that the shutdown did not cause serious challenges to Tesla. Tesla sold over 10,160 vehicles in March in China, and that also made it the highest monthly ever in China. There's also one more thing that's potential that Tesla can make it into the S&P 500, and that would unlock institutional buy pressure for the stock, because most investors don't buy individual stocks. They usually buy in the ETFs. So if Tesla were to get into the S&P 500, it would be part of various ETFs, and that would be really good for the stock. But it's hard to know when this will happen or if it will happen, because you will still see the stock go up in price even if this doesn't happen. One more thing here that was reported over the weekend is Elon Musk has threatened to pull Tesla's factory from California into Nevada or Texas. Tesla planned to bring back 30% of its workforce, but there seems to be an issue between the health officials in the county and Tesla filed a lawsuit against them. We'll have more news on this to come. We'll have it posted here on Currency.com, but for now, let's jump into platform and we'll have a look at the chart. So the current trend direction right now, we are in an uptrend, making higher highs and higher lows and breaking through all those resistance zones to test that yearly high right up here. That's peak resistance at about $945. Some of the price points that the bulls are going to need to look for is the next one coming up right around here at this next fib line is about around $890. Currently sitting at about 818. Going up to 890 would give us about a 8% gain, 9% gain, and that could happen in a day. But we would have to see how strong the momentum is once it touches that resistance on the fib line, and if it can change that into support. What we could even see is we do go up to test that fib line and then a rejection right back to the current support that we're at right now, which has been holding off pretty strong. And another thing to note here is if we do top off right now and do not make it up to that, there is potential for a head and shoulder pattern. You can see here we got the left shoulder and we got the head, and then we got the right shoulder. And right now, if that breaks down, it'll bring us down to this fib line here, and it will test this support at about $700. And if that were to break, then we will go down to the next fib line at the 50, and then the 0.32 fib line. And if we were to drop down around this fib line, the trend is still not invalidated. We can still continue our ways up and still be upwards on that trend line. So let's say this head and shoulder pattern does not break down and it ends up flipping. Then we would need to flip this yearly high that was at around 945 into support in order for us to make it into new highs going into the summer. So currently right now, things are looking bullish. The price right now is above all three moving averages, And I am expecting a test to this resistance zone right up here, right below $900, somewhere between 850 and 900. And the price right now is sitting above all moving averages. You can even see the 200 and the 50 on that day that Elon made his tweet. The price did come down to that trend line, didn't come down to 200, but instantly reversed, engulfed that bearish candle and made it right above that 50 moving average, continued its way up, and made all moving averages become supports. So it looks like that Elon Musk tweet, it is priced in, but the bulls weren't having it, and they drove the price right back up. As it stands right now, looking at the Tesla 4-hour chart, from the beginning of the year when we did try to make it to a peak and all the COVID-19 news, production stopped, the price came down, brought it down to 350. Since then, there has been some bad news, but Tesla's had a pretty good recovery, and it looked like here it was going to test that peak until the Elon Musk tweet, which also came right down on that trend line. Now it's still continuing its way up, but that's only in the short term. And in the long term, we don't really know what's going to happen. If we were to break this resistance here, the psychological $1,000, and that became support, then you could expect to see new highs for Tesla. If it lines up with countries reopening and production ramping up, then 2021 can be a really good year for Tesla. Thanks for watching. It's John at RealJohnDoe with Currency.com. Hit the like, subscribe button. We will have more stock and crypto trading videos to come, and you can trade or invest right on Currency.com. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.